streaming. Okay, I'm apparently up again. I'm very sorry for that, and I know what caused the issue, and I will not repeat the same problem again. This was not really optimal. The problem is that when I decided to pull the gel, since I'm running on a laptop over Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi just dies when you're pulling too much bandwidth. I need to connect this with a cable. It's not nice. It's a problem of the what's the thing? It's a problem of the Wi-Fi drivers. What a bad thing. But this means that I'm currently pretty much limited. I need to use my server because my server does have a fixed it has a cable connection, and it does have a cable connection, and this means that the problem with the Wi-Fi doesn't happen. I'll be right back. So just it's a lesson learned. Yeah, so then I just wait a minute, starting my home server again. So be right there. Okay, that was a nasty thing. What's going on here? Okay, let's try again. 192. Hopefully the server will not die this time. In the meantime, let's forget about those things. Okay, server is not up and running yet. It takes some time. And let's accessing build status. So linting a port 385. So port lint AC. And we have already some fatal problems here. Port uses Java features, but use Java is not defined. Okay. This is something new. Okay. User local, actually root work ports, use Java. Let's try to get it here. Use Java equals 1. Users, okay, what does it mean users Java is not there? Port lint, yeah. Use Java check. Yeah, use Java equals yes. Probably this should be the one copy. Changes, instead of use Java, use these defaults. Okay. So this was 2412. This was after I submitted things. Instead of use Java, use users equals Java. So I'm actually doing already the new thing. Users Java. Oops. Users Java. It's there already. It's there already. So I don't need this. That is a wrong thing to request. Okay, is the page already up and running? Yes, it is. Let's hope that the machine this time starts properly. Let's Machine is starting, the console. That was not great. That's what happens when you go for cheap stuff. Good. Root. It's 197 still. The quick connect. Root. Come on, you can do it. So, okay. This we don't need, and the quick connect thing. Okay, let's go again. So, poudrier. Jail list. So we have a 14.2 here. CD work, ports, git status, command not found, pkg install git. I think for this case we don't really need that, but nonetheless let's keep it like that. Now, let me see if I can get again the instruction. So poudrier list jobs compiler package 389 in my manual. Create ports, compile. Okay, should be fine. Let's hope that the server doesn't die again. So first I need to add the ports. So create poudrier ports. Last time I think it died in the middle of the decompression, right? It just went to G for graphics. That's not very good. So I need to do again the port snap. Port snap. I need to do that step before. Port snap 391. Okay. Sorry that the screen looks a little bit strange for you, but I need to look at my notes from time to time, and I'm not controlling stuff very well yet. Root, work, and ports, extract. Hopefully the machine will not die. port snap, ports, okay, for sure, extract. Last time it died here. Let's see. Let's see what will happen. If my server decides to bail out again, I will have to reorganize things a little bit because I cannot install Pudri now in my laptop because I'm using the Wi-Fi for streaming, and yeah, it's annoying. The Wi-Fi drivers cannot keep up with downloading the necessary things, and therefore the stream just freezes and dies like last time, which is really not good. So let's hope that the server doesn't die, that it survives these things, because the server is actually hardwired to my internet, so with an Ethernet cable, and the connection is not only faster but much more stable. What is the current status of the FreeBSD Wi-Fi? There was some old things. It's still, it wasn't it. There was some project where people wanted to improve this significantly. It wasn't the Google Summer of Code, or something like that. Kernel, so Wi-Fi management, no. Wi-Fi management, no. These are ideas. Or Wi-Fi improvements. Intel, okay, but okay, when is this? November. It's definitely not May. Okay, I need to 14. Okay, testing IWL Wi-Fi. What am I currently using? IWL. Maybe I need to check if there is some new IWL Wi-Fi. Intel on based on driver enhancements. Okay, contribute. So when were these pull requests being put out? Modified. Okay. Sorry for that. Not optimal. Try to still have a little bit of a cold, and try to cough, not in direction of the microphone, but I think that might have been a little bit too loud. And if it was, I'm really sorry for that. Yeah, I probably need to check these things and read it a little bit. I'll have to read. Repealing IWM. And I want to try IWM. Okay. So probably I'm using the bad driver. Block list IF. Okay, I definitely okay. This is something to check later on. This is something I need to check definitely later on. Where is my server? Okay, it's going W. Okay, it's apparently surviving. In the meantime, I can read here. Is loaded after set, disabled automatic loading by dev-match as bootloader. Okay. This is definitely something that I need to test. IW. Okay. Okay, all right, finally. Now, Poudrier. I need to create the ports. Ports create. Is it with a? It's probably with a small c. This is an important thing. Take the stuff that is already there. M is on root work ports, and it's going to be the ports. I don't know. Imported the ports. Okay. And now how can we compile to a bulk? After I do this, let me again go to my notes, 334. Okay. Actually, I'm going instead. I will call it the development thing. Imported the tree. So, Poudrier bulk. Let's do a bulk on the latest. The jail FreeBSD 142. The ports, instead of the ports, it's the dev. And it's going to be the devel ghidra. And that should be it. This catch that, okay. User local etc poudrier.conf dist files cache. Dist files cache, okay. Terminal. Create directory. User ports dist files. Is there any other thing that I need to check? It will complain if it needs. Okay, now it's starting the process. Moved, and yeah, hey, don't run away. cd, let's go to this directory, actually to this directory here, latest Python 3 HTTP server. I don't have Python 3.11. Okay, HTTP server, and here I go to port 8000. And the latest build for Poudrier is ongoing. What is this? GitHub. Okay, so master build jobs. Is it like this? Let me, yeah, it should be okay. There's this many Qt packages fetching, exactly. So that's what I wanted with this. The configuration is tries to fetch as much as possible to compile the least amount possible. Otherwise, it's going to be horrible. Okay, yes. Now we're getting. So what is it? Fetched quite a lot of the packages, and Qt OpenJDK, that might be a big one to build. Harpaska and so on. Okay, as we can see, it does go to OpenJDK 17. Yeah, and I want to reproduce the failure. So Gradle and the 8.12. So the version 8.12 is already being pulled with the latest, but currently my machine, what is the version that we have here? Gradle? No, we don't have Gradle. Okay, it's in the jail. Building BKG 206. Okay. We should be seeing here which ones are being built. Fetched where there was. Yeah, exactly. It's here in the jobs. So this is being built. And I'm not entirely sure why these are queued. Probably it's not fetching it and wants to build OpenJDK from scratch, which is going to take quite a lot of time. But because it's a relatively new system that I configured here, it actually pulled already lots of stuff, lots of good stuff. So yeah. And now we need to see that this is passing the time. Yeah, so there is this small trick with Python that we are just serving doing a small web server there without starting with without really starting with nginx or whatever. Okay, success. And now 2 are queued. Okay, so build ports, it built this one here in 2 minutes. And yeah, 3 minutes. And this really means that it's going to try to build all this stuff. And this is the reason for that probably is that OpenJDK was updated upstream in the main repository, but we don't have yet a package, and therefore I need to build it locally, which is pretty bad. I hope that this OpenJDK doesn't take too much time to build. Okay, this is going forward. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, oops. 97%. So this is new. I don't remember seeing this graph here. Can also press, I think, Control T or so. Control T, yeah. And we see here what's happening. Okay. And these packages will be built and put into a local cache repository, if I'm not mistaken, so that if I try to build again and it's the same version, then it just takes whatever is there already. Mm-hmm. It's the waiting game. Okay. Pop up. In the meantime, okay, okay, it's just finish this one. So, and yeah, it's not as parallel as it should be. Where is the... no, come on. Yeah, so the server has died again. This means that this means that for today it's likely over. I will, at least with Poudrier, I'm definitely not happy about what's happening here, but I cannot do too much now. I will try some other things, but I will not do with Poudrier now because it does pull quite a lot of stuff from the internet, and I need to check this first. Get a better wireless driver. Let me see if I can package pkg in search. IW, what is the name? IW IWL Wi-Fi, IWL Wi-Fi. Yeah. And of course, I'm not going to be messing around with this thing now, but I can try at least to do some port linting. I want to kind of reproduce the problem a little bit, and without Poudrier, it might be a little bit difficult. So, but this means that I will not be able to send a patch today. So I will have to stream another time and get a better setup than what I have, such that stuff is not just crashing like that. In the meantime, sorry, again, I need to switch to another view. Ports, so linting 385. 385. So let's try again to go to this. So we had port lint-AC, and we were looking at this. So users cleanup, yeah, that doesn't matter too much. Port, the format, it should be fine. Yeah, so that's yeah, the shebang. Yeah, this is not such a port clippy. It's also not. So how can I check the PKG plist? So make, I think it's the check plist. Let me try to, so I forget this. So FreeBSD ports, check the plist, the PKG plist file with make advanced project. There is the exactly empty directories, configuring. There is a make plist, PKG, for example. Yes, make plist. Yes, and there is also a make to check that make with. I remember seeing this. Dynamic versus that I make clean, no, make sure, make plist. This is not what I want. I want to check the plist. So okay, I can do the following: cp pkg plist, pkg plist original, make plist. Okay, and it creates another one, and I look at the difference as also, and it's the same. This is not good. This is definitely not good because the system is complaining. Gradle version 8.6 PKG search update. Why did I see already 8.12 and I'm not seeing it now? Fresh ports. Gradle. Come on. Gradle 8.12. Oh, there is no main. That's not a good thing. Okay. And it should come. Because I'm probably in the quarterly and I need to go to the latest. That's what is the okay etc and pkg was FreeBSD conf, and I'm in the quarterly, and quarterly is sitting at 8.6. I'm brave enough to put this at the latest. PKG update, come on. Doing with the live streaming, no problem. PKG update, Gradle. Upgrade, that's going to be a doozy. That's going to be too much, most likely. And there are things I probably don't want to. Yeah, 1,200. No, definitely we don't want to do these things now. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No way. No way, Jose. This is an entire update of the system. What can we do then? My server is dead. My Wi-Fi is not optimal. My Wi-Fi card is not optimal and I need Gradle 8.12 and I don't want to install all these things. So there is also another way to do that. It's 23:40. I think I will start this adventure now. Let's see if I can start adventure, which would be, no, I cannot start this because so my idea was to install FreeBSD on a virtual machine, but it will again pull stuff from the internet, which I don't want. I mean, pulling this stuff, it will be 3 gigas that is going to be downloaded and my live stream is going to die. So I definitely don't want that. Yeah. Without my server running, I don't see a possibility now. I would have to hardwire. Yeah, I would have to connect the cable. This is all caused because of the stupid Wi-Fi drivers, and this is embarrassing for FreeBSD, really. That my server is dying, that I know. I bought it really cheap, and it's probably a trash thing. I just use it for some experiments, and now that I'm thinking about using it for a little bit hardcore job, then I can see that I can basically throw out this stuff in the trash bin. So, but that is my fault, that I didn't get a good enough server. It's a thermal issue. It's not a FreeBSD, it's a thermal issue that it's having. So when it starts using too much CPU, it basically just dies. So I can explain more or less what happened. Is the server I bought it for about 80 euros or so. It's a R410 PowerEdge. It's let's see if I can see this. yeah, it's a server looking like this. And because I'm a little bit too stupid with servers, what happened is you see all the fans that are here. These things are loud, and this machine needs them, but I don't like them, so I took them out. I took the fans out, and what I did is I put some heat sinks, some pretty beefy ones inside of the two CPUs. Yeah, and there is a fan also that is on top of the power supply, but this is apparently not enough. These things, when this is working, it's like, yeah, it wakes up the neighborhood, and I don't want that. So this is a very, very loud server, which is okay if it stays somewhere closed in a in a closed cabinet, far away from us. But to have it at home and have it quiet, yeah, I screwed it by removing the fans, and now I have a thermal issue. I need to fix that problem, and then things should be fine. But in the meantime, while the problem is not solved, every time this stuff starts heating up, the server dies, and that's it. Need to buy a couple more fans which are quiet, which are definitely quiet. Yeah, I don't see, or let me think a little bit. Yeah, I don't think that there is a possibility to install only grrrr. Grrrr is the one that is causing the trouble. Okay. I see that lots of software that I use is going to get updates, which is really nice, which is on the latest, but of course I should not run a system with always the latest version, so not that nice. Let me just see here, pipe less. New packages, okay. Oops. Okay. Is it still running? Okay, it's still running. It's a little bit slow. So, OBS taking quite a lot of CPU. Okay, so okay, why is it so slow? Waiting for data, okay. Still awaiting for data. Why is it awaiting for data? Okay, let's do the following. KDN live. Oh, okay, this is really good and expected, 24. So now I'm you know what I mean. I'm going away, straining from my original topic that I wanted to cover, but my hands are tight on this case. And version 24 is a really nice version as far as I understand, because this for video editing, it does bring some CPU, some GPU things. GPU or shows CPU dinner. I think it was the 08 transitions, easing. Yeah, so quite a lot of new things are there. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, Let me try then another thing. pkg install ghidra. ghidra is not found in the repository because it's not compiled, but we have here development, and ghidra is there. So and where does this go to? Yeah, okay, so no active project. And let me see, because this is something I'm looking at work now. So I'm working in the field of cybersecurity, and ghidra Rust decompiler. Can we get this thing to run in FreeBSD? If we could do that, this is going to be awesome. So do we have Rust? Rust C, yeah. Decompilation. How do we install this? Build, install script. Adding it to ghidra file. Okay, let's hopefully this is not too much for Git. Do I have? Yeah, it exists. Git clone. Let's hope. Yeah, it's fine. Doesn't disturb too much. Can we build this? Okay. So this is maybe I will add this to ghidra later on. Gradle. Building ghidra. Okay, there is some variables here missing. So build Gradle, -h, install, path, opt ghidra. Okay. This should be in user local. Where did I install this? User local bin ghidra, and goes OpenJDK 17 exactly. And ghidra run. No. Script tier support launch. It cannot be this. No, not with support launch. Oh god, I'm always forgetting these things. User local bin bash. Read link script file in the directory. So okay, ghidra. How can it be? So good, it's running ps aux. So ghidra, where is it? Pipe grep ghidra. Here it is. ghidra class loader, yes. Why didn't it show the ghidras? Okay, because I'm a little bit stupid, and I should have these things here. User local share support ghidra. Okay. User local share ghidra. Ghidra run. Yes, this is where it gets there. And this is probably where the script needs to compile. Build cannot. Okay, yeah. I think I know the problem. Bin bash. I know I don't need that. User local bin bash -g there. Okay, that's it. Build. Requirement arguments not provided. Okay, so, and what do they say? So this is the install screen. There is a build screen which can build and install. You can build the extension. Okay, and ghidra build. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Arguments not provided. Required arguments. What is requirements not provided? If ghidra is not there. Okay. Ghidra is with -g and it should be there. So -g. Ghidra path. Am I stupid or what? Export equals to that one. Build. So ghidra is nothing initially. And it's not going to the here. Why? Is there? Sorry. Okay. I don't want to fight with this thing too much. So I put the stuff like this. Building. Okay. It's that -ig path. Yeah, but I don't want to install. I just want to build for the time being. It should have set that thing. Java compiles not exchange contains a JDK installation. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Just had to turn off the microphone a little bit because I was coughing like hell. This is still from cold. Oh, you hear it in my voice. Okay, hopefully it will go. Hopefully it will go well now. Um, let's revert this thing. I hope you cannot hear that nasty coughing. So, um, why can't it? Please check that this JRE, yeah, JDK. Every time I'm trying to install here something, my heart is pounding because I don't know if the stream is going down or not. Oh, it says it's already installed, which I would expect to. Oh, oh, damn it, my voice. Please ensure, but this is JRE, not JDK. mm. This whole Java thing is a big mess. So we need, I think, export Java. Is it Java home? Java. Is it Java home? I think I think I hit the bullseye here. If this is going to work, I will probably have to get busy to create yeah. Created zip. Okay. And now probably the install thing, right? But the sorry. First, I like to see what is inside there. Sorry. This is a mess. Okay, and what do they say? So here, adding install extensions, and it's probably just what do they say? File installing extensions. So file install extensions plus, where did I put that stuff? Um, Git dist. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as this. Created. Okay, it's already a little bit old. I'm not sure if there is any more recent stuff, but let's see. I'm not a very good guy for this. Again coughing. So, it's getting getting worse. So, Git, I don't care. Test. Cradle, I think. No. Rust, C, and there is the cradle. Not it. Crate or crate? No. Rust. Damn it. Hello world. Cargo. I saw it there. Cargo. New test. Error. I'm really getting this stuff is, my voice is getting really bad. I will probably have to delete this stream or something, because this cannot stay there like this. Come on, cargo new. Yeah, my name, whatever. Cargo builds and dash release. And there should be under target, I think, there should be a release. And okay. Target, release, hello world, thank you. And now, ghidra. New project, non-shared, Rust test. Okay. Add. Let's first go for the debug, because it has lots of symbols. Yeah, analyze the thing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I don't think there is anything to be done here. Yes. Analyze. And probably there is a main function. I just want to see that the decompiler is doing what it should be doing. Well, it does seem to be doing what it should be doing. Awesome. This is what I would expect. Yes. Thank you. Does, would you like to go? Well, yeah. It's fine, but here, std is the awesome. Local 30 arguments. I think this is an awesome thing to do. And okay. Do we have? Let's try some other stuff. What could we? Yeah, perplexity. Let's just do it like that. Right. Okay. Okay. So good. Come on. Why can't you paste? Paste. Is stdio. Probably there is no additional crate that we need here. I again with the cough. This is killing me today. All right. So, and what about this? Don't save. So this is a little bit more complicated. Delete this file and let's import it again. Target debug. The debug is a good thing because it has lots of symbols and it allows to see how good this decompiler is. So there is the main here, which again, yeah, this is all mangled, the name. And it's still analyzing. Yeah. So start of the language, that's good. This is a really good sign of maturity of Rust if we start having such good tools. And I'm really surprised this was from 2023 or something. Oh, look, it looks pretty good. So we could arg counter, and this is the argv, ne? Rename argv, and there's the env argc argv. There is the main here, Aha, now this is more like it. Now this is more like it. Core arguments, please enter string. I didn't even try this stuff. Is it even working or not? Cargo run 3 to 1. Yeah. Yeah, so we have, I didn't even look so well at the original source code, which is on purpose. I want to focus here on this code. So files to read, var1 length, okay. Str file, something like that. This is the string file. Expect self. Read line result, something like this. The read line result goes here. Expect with what comes from here. That looks good. Print local. This is please enter string arguments. I'm not, it's a format. Okay. This is probably the string enter string. It's a string to enter the string. Yeah, it says please enter. So if we go here, it's probably defined somehow. Yeah, exactly. Equals enter a string carriage return. Local std in. This is probably the local 8. Yeah, it's the string user input. And local read line. And no. This is not the, this is the std in. Let's call it like this. And this local here is actually going to be the string user input. Something like this. So we create a new string user input. We get the std in here and we read a line. We get the result. We build some string here, do the expectation, the expect thingy. I'm not sure what this dref is. I would need to look a little bit more into details. The string and then self course chars. Okay, so this is splitting the trim. Okay, it trims the stream. Let me see the code, original one. Trim. Training. Yeah, training. I had not seen that before, but so this is the string user input trimmed. Self. This is the core characters. It's struct characters. Iterator. It's probably an iterator. Char from user input string trimmed. Yeah, the names are a little bit long, but exactly. Then there is the iterator. I should look forward in the code. So it's actually relatively easy to follow this. Iterator collect in this thing here. I'm not sure. Collect. So what is most likely a rev iterator, and it's reversing, doing a reverse of the iterator. So this is the reversed iterator. So I'm not writing the entire thing there, otherwise it's going to be a mess. And then collect in the local B0. The local B0 is a string. Now it's playing, doing some games here with the things. Collect, iterator collect, which I have no idea what this is doing. Stack, and so on. At the end of the day, it does a format. This is, yeah, probably because of all the memory guarantees that it does, that it calls these arguments and so on. Then prints, but yeah, okay, actually the format, your string is and then there is a carriage return, and there is nothing here. That's an interesting thing. How the heck is it formatting the string? So the sorry, local, so there should be something here. Okay, instead of losing too much time here, there is a bracket here. There is, okay, and this got translated to what? Is, then there is a carriage return. Okay. But string format, local B0, trying to figure out how the heck it's doing things. 290, so 98. Where is the, okay, 98, 68. So this is the output. So this is out format string. This is the output that goes to the print. Drop. So this is the local B0. It's some string gets dropped, so it's probably some memory, some pointer, whatever. So this is memory management here. The local 68 is now a little bit strange, is 58. The 58 is a pointer to the B0. So the local 68, what types are these? String star, yeah. They are pointers. And what what I'm not understanding is where does this thing here come? Where does it know how to add the things here? Or am I missing something? Your string reversed is. There is not, I don't see anything here. Target, debug, strings, Tiago. So, reversed is, okay. And, sorry, your string reversed is, it's there. And the carriage return is there because this line continues here. So what is probably happening is that this is either playing with addresses, or I don't think the carriage return is part of the thing. It's just sheer luck that we have a carriage return here, because this is not added here, and print line adds this is the print ln, the line is the one that adds the carriage return. So this is in the function, not in the string, but we don't know what the compiler has done here. So output from the format string star something here with a 2, local 68 and 119 stack u stack 60. This is probably where we are playing with stuff. U stack 60 undefined. Ooh. But where is this variable? So strange variable. Rename strange constant. So the strange constant goes where? How to highlight where this strange constant is? Highlight. Secondary set. Is it possible to do it? No. Def use for. Is it like this? No. It's only being used here. So it's okay. It's probably not interesting. Stack 68. But it does have something to do with this. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 5. Since the numbers are too far away from each other. And where can we go to this memory address? This is no. From parts precondition and call format. So this looks like a function here. Ah, yeah, here it is. Precondition check. I think I'm taking a little bit too long here in this function, but needless to say that this is looking quite nice. This I mean, it's the first time I'm reverse engineering some Rust codes, and it doesn't seem like it's that it's too difficult. Ah, there we go. useStack68. So there is some new arguments. So there is definitely something ongoing here. Okay, I see. So some arguments. I don't know what this new whatever is. New v1, 2, 1. Here it seems that this is the output, and now this is 2 pointers to strings. Which I'm missing the second one, I think, or maybe not. I would have to check a little bit further. And then there is an argument, and this argument is the useStack68. This useStack68 is local 58. Local 58 is, oh, okay, it's the second string. It's not, I thought it was a callback function or something. No. So this strange constant is really not used anywhere. Unless somehow this forms a data structure here, somehow. Output, so unless these things here forms a kind of a callback. Yeah. And then this would make sense that this strange constant is being put as a callback function here. Okay. So it's still a little bit magic to me how the string is being broken into how this part here, how this magic here is happening. This bracket thing here. So something happens here, and I'm yeah. It's a little bit of a magic, but again, for the first time that we're doing this, looking at this is looking relatively good and easy. I mean, your string reversed is something here, so we can see that this goes to this output format here. The stack 68 comes from 58. 58 comes from the local B0, and this local B0, if I'm not mistaken, where there's a reversed iterator. And again, this okay. So this is where the things are going a little bit strange. Reverse collect. So collect all the things, and in the collect function, the collect. Yeah, there we go. That's the combination. This is the output of the collect. So this is the collected and reversed string. Exactly. This is the collected and reversed string with the collect, with the reverse iterator. And when we have this stuff, I don't know what kind of gibberish is happening here, but this is definitely that gluing this string thing here. This is part of this, and it's definitely clear that this format is happening with this first part and that second part. I just don't know how can this string here say that this is what is the size of this string. Why does it say here that the carriage return is included? 1060, so this is probably the address 106026. 106026. Do we have this somewhere? 1020. It's too much. 1020. Okay, jumps here. So, okay. Okay, yeah. Pointer to your string. It's saying an address. Yeah. Okay. Even here 60 10. Why okay 1060. 1060. Oops. More down. 106026. There we go. This is the address of the string. Char 26 is the length. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26. Okay, this is the 26 here, includes the carriage return. This means to me that really the carriage return is added by the compiler. Very simple. It's really added by the compiler, but it also means that it has to communicate somewhere that position 25 is the place where this format string has to stop and add the other one and then add the carriage return at the end. It has to do that. 25. How the heck do we know that this is a 25? Use stack. Yeah, I'm not very happy while I don't know those things here. No. Could it be this thing? This is a alloc string format. I don't think this is the case. Where do we pass? We need to pass the parameter 25 somewhere. Or let me actually change the program a little bit. No, because I created already, gave too many names. Yeah, here. And so my idea would be to recompile this and to put this argument, this thing, not at the end of the string, but somewhere else. This is a macro, if I remember. And this definitely means that something is happening here with these brackets here, with this macro. Some magic. Rust magic. Rust is a really, really good programming language. Yeah. There has been some debate in the Linux kernel lately, but I believe that Rust will establish itself. I also like a lot to develop in C++, but I mean, Rust is really a good language. Um, yeah, there's less to discuss about that. It's secure. It's a really good and secure language. Let me just see here one thing. String file. Where is this added? Where is this defined? String. It's a reference to a string file. Okay. User input trimmed. Okay. Code local 10. Local. Okay. I'll just leave it. I'll just leave it for the time being. I think this is. I'm not progressing much more. Not progressing much more here. All right, but the important thing is that the plugin is really easy to compile. I mean, I can probably create a new port that that brings this plugin into place. This is the last thing I'm going to try to do now. So, which is repeat what I've done before. So, good. Let me think. Probably here. Not there where I was. So ghidra. So that would be the first thing that I need, and ghidra. If we start creating a new plugin, first thing is where do we download it from? And this is downloaded. Where did I take it from? Yeah, from here. I'm already in the correct page. Do they have some tags? No tags. Bad. Okay, 9 months ago. So we use this thing. And for that, so typically we can just search for some similar things. User ports, I think that should, yeah. Let's think a little bit. So master sites. Let me emulators 86 box, and we have, how does it know where to download it from? Port name, dist, and it uses GitHub. Yes, uses GitHub, and in this case GitHub. Yeah, so that's the thing. We go here. And we start writing something. The port name is going to be Control C. Let's see here. I mean, this is the next best thing that we can do, is to try to create a new port. This version prefix, I don't think this is the case. Categories. Development, I think. This version, let's we have nothing else than this one here. Copy, and let's use GitHub. Yes. Make no target. There is a make file. No target to make. Okay. This is not enough for now. And make fetch. Let me so paste comment ghidra plugin. Yeah, this can all be fixed afterwards. Still no target, so still doesn't like it. This version, this prefix, categories, port name. So of course, yeah, that's the most important thing. How could I have forgotten this? Preset license. Okay. MIT license. Attempting. So this is not like that. So let's try PKC search A. something like that. And let's try to see if there is a, there we go. So these guys have some strange name here, which is exactly what I need, because they don't have the X-ray RE tools. Okay, that's good enough for me. Find. So it's a game. I don't care. So how is the make file? Dist version. Okay. G. Yes, and that's exactly how we do it. So then dist version we put G, and I think we put the date of today, like I don't know, 2025 0225, and this is now the important part. Paste. Of course that this is wrong, and this is the one here, and the tag name is the one here. Copy. Make. For building. Make some. And we have it here. And already under work we have the. All right, so it's starting to look fine. So this is the file, and it should be fine. Yeah. Probably, yeah, 9 months ago. Yeah, it should be fine. So cannot open makefile. Yes, because this is not a makefile thingy. It's a build. And post patch, post configure to install. Oh God. Do I have any build? Open Lara. Post patch, build. Do build, yeah. It's the do build thing. So cd this, work. Let's git rust dash for c something, which we should not have, but okay. That's good. It doesn't need build and so yeah, build.sh. It's there. Yeah, but again, it's the same the same thing. And there is for this, I think I have it in the ghidra also. It's the devel ghidra, the make file. There is the fix, the shebang files. Yes. Shebang files. And this is let me see if this is going to work. Didn't work. Where am I? cd work devel ports devel bin bash. So the bin bash where is this thing here? Build depends. I think I need to add this. Run depends. Probably also the same thing. And the shebang thing. That's it. That's what I was searching for. The build depends. Probably the run does not. Users shebang fix. Yeah, let's put just like this. Shebang fix. clean. So make. There we go. So now it has fixed. Whoops. Yes, it fixed the shebang here. And -G. And this is now the funny thing. That I need to have the ghidra thing installed, and now yeah, it should be fine. And now it's the point where the thing here is not working as it should be working. Let's build -G, and when I fix this, cd minus vim build, vim build, I fixed it like user local shared ghidra, copy, so now this is the bad thing. I think this is the last thing I'm going to try to fix today, and then tomorrow is another day. Root work ports develop. So build -G here. Requirement documents not provided. Okay. Build. So we are back to square one from last time. It doesn't do the thing here. So first, let's just make sure that this is running bash. Yeah, it's apparently running bash. -ghidra. Let's -ghidra. It's also not liking it. Valid arguments. Get opt install ghidra. So build -help. This may be a problem of the get opt thing here. Parse command line options. I never really, I never really did this thing. Valid args get opt -o. There is no -o here. It's -o. and the option dash O. So there is an option dash O. Following constant for a command category A, P, and O. No, this is example. The coordinate shows how one might process the arguments for a command that can take the options dash A dash B and okay, which requires an argument. Okay. Get opt. I should not use get opt arguments. So this is each sense better get The get opt is different from Linux. I can see. So the G needs an option. So let's just do the following. G, and these guys are already saying don't do this, do this. Right? That's what they are saying here. You should not use, since that would parse the arguments different from what the set, yeah, something like that. Terminal and build dash G user local share G ghidra, and there we go. How that was not difficult at all. So this thing here needs to be fixed. It's the get opt thing that is causing the issue. Additionally, the Java home needs to be defined, but that should be fine. Here the make is going to destroy the thing probably. No. Okay. So make clean. I now know what needs to be done. We don't need the other parameters. We don't need no stinking parameters. So then make stuff like this. Now probably I would just rewrite the darn thing. Yeah, it's probably just a Gradle thing. So no need to have all this. Yeah, no need to have all these things here. It's just a Gradle thing. -p ghidra install dir equals user local share ghidra. Yeah, exactly. Don't need no stinking build script. So yeah, and and the Java home thingy, this is then set. So yeah, so it's not stinking build script. Too bad at times. So ghidra, yeah. So there is the grrrr, which also does the thingy. Grrrr run. Temporary directories, build depends, run depends. Okay, build depends on that. So we can remove the requirement on that. Oops. This keyboard likes to jump around. Run, so this Java uses Java version, this one here. All right, we're coming closer. Now it's again this OpenJDK, so Java version uses Java. Uses Java version, yeah. Let's fix this at 17 if it works. License. Okay, I definitely need this pre-install Java home. So let's see what we have in this variable. Java home. It should be automatically set, right? Missing package description. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Because this, so, so I don't know why is it complaining. let's or Java home or Java starting. So make clean. Okay, make. Okay. What did I use here? It was Java home. So let's see. Env Java home equals, I think we need this. Java home for whatever reason. Make clean. Make. Now it's starting. Yeah. It says. Now it's doing it. Now it's doing its business. Okay. Yeah, it's Java is doing its business here, compiling. Okay, what has, yeah, it did all the things, chooses, blah, blah, recompile, process tasks, zip source build, created this one here. Okay. Ping, 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 ping. Created this thing there. So work, where is it? Work G, that one, G, distribution. And this file here should be the same, or let's md5 sum. It's this one, and md5 sum on home Gaziva git. I think it was this one and this, and they are different. They are different because probably they are timestamps inside the files, and those things they change. But for that, I'm going to go to the dist, properties. Yeah, they are timestamps here. Probably this is probably the issue. Module manifest, build, check style, whatever, looks fine. And if we go to the distribution here, this one we have the same stuff, yeah, roughly the same stuff with different dates, of course. Here 4C whatever 4891 lib, so we have the same thing, same sizes, media. Yeah, it's basically the same thing. What is the report PDF? Can I have a look at it or not? Ush, GIMP, my god. This is not what it should be. We should be using to open this kind of file. But cd Where are we? Cd kit, this one here, distribution, unzip this file. Ooh, I just made a mess here. No, I didn't miss. Wasn't so bad. Media, XPF, media report. What is here? Where's the compiler? Okay, nice. Some documentation inside. Mm-hmm. 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 Future plans, measures, relevant proposal. Yeah, all looks good. Yeah, it's an interesting thing. Okay. Once this is done, where am I? Here. Um, what I definitely don't want is all this trash that comes. So make plist. Let's see. Generating temporary by missing package description. Okay, yeah. I will give you a package description. Don't worry. Too much excitement for nothing. So let's user ports devel, yeah, ghidra, cat package description, and it's just a text. Okay. EKG description. For the time being, that should be okay. Status. Function, yeah, that should be fine. Make plist. Cannot open make file. Eh? Generated cannot open make file. Of course you can also make clean. Make building, yeah. And now, okay, cannot open make file. Make cannot open make file. Generating temporary packages. Make plist. No, this is not how to do it. It's make plist. So advanced. So make plist. Yeah, make plist dynamic versus. Even if contents are auto-generated by a tool, are tagged before the inclusion version by commit. For example, using make. This is still considered static. This is okay. The PKG with or without variable substitution are embedded. Yes. Make plist. Is with only So what am I missing? Cannot open make file. Um, the dist info is there. The PKG description is there. For the other, ghidra is a software, blah blah blah. Just for case, PKG description is a Rust decompiler plugin for ghidra. Okay, just to make sure that this is not interfering with anything. I don't think that's going to be the issue, but just in case. To build, okay. Build depends uses Java, the shebang files. We don't need the shebang files. Whoops. Come on. Seems like I'm typing random keys. I think to build. Pre-install. The do install is missing. Yeah, the do install is missing. Yes, this is what is coming next. To install. Do. This is Homer Simpson's do. Yeah, and yeah, exactly. Make plist and check what plist gives you, which gives me nothing because nothing is installed. Good. And install. It's an install data to a stage tier. Yeah. So work tier. Now work. Yes. Now this is now the bad thing. So echo. What do I need here? It's the port name. This keyboard likes to fight me. Make to install. Exactly. So this and dash those guys. Yep. But actually, do I really need this work? No, I don't need this. I don't need no stinking deer. Dist. I just need this. Dist slash. Now it's going to be the time where I need this thing. But there is only one file name, and yeah, still. I will take it like this. Star.zip to a stage tier, prefix, share. So let me see where this thing here is going to. And then we'll talk again. Stage user local share ghidra alias user local share ghidra and licenses extensions. Where should we put here? Hydra Pro, ghidra extensions. These are called so-called extensions, right? Install extensions. Yeah. So I can just create a new extension directory. Probably like ghidra extensions slash ghidra rust, something like that. And then, yeah, shared extensions. So if I look at this stuff here, user local share extensions, what is something like this, and then yeah, exactly. So and how do we create a directory? It's with install thing. This is fine. This is going to create already the directory and install data. Make do. First of all, let me confirm. Under work, this ghidra, there is a stage, or probably the stage is under here. Stage, user local. Yeah, there's nothing. Make do install. Okay. It didn't like. Oh, wait. What is this? Okay. Yeah. Work directory. So, not the work directory, the work source. Root develop. Okay. Work this dist. Okay, it actually looks fine. Workstage. Install. What is this? No such file or directory. Where the heck did this come from? So let's go and see this thing here. Tick. Here. It's there. And the install, maybe that's the problem, that install tries to decompress the things. Okay, let's see. man install zip suffix copy file. It's actually the default. So -c should be the copy file, right? Mhm. Still, it's trying to do those things that it should not be doing. I'm not understanding this. So let's, before that, let me just show that is, and so it's not install data, then it's what? This is a linking install program. I forget exactly what is the difference between one and the other, but -s also not doesn't like it. So cp -d. Okay, the -d should be with the create directory. So let's try again. Install data -cd. This should be already there. I don't like this. Okay, now the error is a different one. Root ports develop works, this blah 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 exists, but is not a directory. So create directories. That's what I want, is create the missing directories. Created as required. Yes. Group. Hash. Link. Meta mode. Flash each file. Historically. Install executes the command strip binaries. No. Specify entry indicate install is for in privilege, should cause install to be verbose. Okay, let's do a verbose thing. What's happening here? Echo ls. So first I want to see that I'm pointing to the right file. It's getting frustrating. Okay. So ls this thing here, and it's pointing, the file is there. Okay. Now install script program data. There's a small difference and I don't remember very well. Script. The script, it tries to it's trying to do something here. And it's kind of the install thing is not doing what it should be doing. So let's go here to the media, no. To the build, to the distribution here, no. Let's search for what is there that we can use. Copy tree, shipping funds, install scripts, yeah. It's basically not liking the them. I think I might have an idea. No such file. Okay, probably because the install can only be done file by file, so let's do something like this. There is the .end 4, yeah, .end 4 for f in now is this called is, yeah, something like that. Okay, program files. Oh God. No. Ay, 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 ay. This is the there is something to do this, which is I'm going to fake a little bit. In FreeBSD make file, how to assign a variable to the of a command execution. Bang equals. Okay, can also do like that. Very good. Bang equals. So this is the problem, that this doesn't get executed in the right time. Why do I have this thing here? It still needs to be fixed. Okay, I will try to do another thing. After the build, I will move this work, this ghidra star rust dash 4AC 5E PE zip to dist git rust. Let's put the same thing. Make clean. So we try. Make clean. Make. Work. Channel. Dist. Very good. Now this thing here, we just need to get this stuff, install this, no longer stars because it doesn't like it, to there, make, do, install. Still it complains about this INS, no such file. What is his problem? Okay, yeah, screw it. mkdir-p CP this one here to that one there, and that's it. chmod 0 read write read 444 make plist. Yeah, exactly. Now we have the file there. This was a difficult thing, yeah. Okay. And I will be, it's, God, it's almost 2 a.m. It's too much. All right, seems to be fine. And what we can do is we can, so let me see, because is there a config ghidra? Yeah, ghidra here and extensions. Yeah, and it's the extension is here. And if I do make install, currently the system doesn't have anything. Use a local share ghidra extensions. And if I do this, boom, not good. Share ghidra extensions. Okay, where the heck did this go to? Share? So data dir data dir ghidra. Okay, processors get ls. Okay, it's should be something like this. And why did I miss that? Data dir ghidra. Okay, make clean. Okay, make. I think that this is not like that. In the make file we have to have, so let's search for that just to make sure. plist equals, yeah, exactly, current directory. Okay, we even have less stuff. Okay, then let's just add a pkg plist, which is also fine. Oops, paste, and this can just disappear and this can disappear. make clean, make. I don't know how many times I will compile the program, but it is what it is. And make install registering. PKG is unable to access files, events, work stage, user local changes. Work stage, user local, share, G, hit, okay. Why is share G? Should be ghidra, not ghidra. Ghidra. Oh, PKG plist. Okay. Because the data dir contains this name here, and that's a problem. It actually needs to go somewhere else. Okay. Okay, I will try to fake this for the time being. Make install. Yeah, this it creates some cached values, which is not so good. Make install. No such file or directory. Work. So work stage user local share ghidra extensions general rust. Okay. I cannot get into this directory. So if it is not this directory, then there should be some other. PKG plist. Plist size, plist tiers. Cleaning up configuration files, dynamic verse, plist soup. Foo. Yeah, desktop FC fonts info KLD term info. Okay, owner group executable, creating new keywords, no attributes. Okay, I'll try to shortcut in a pkg plist file how to point to user local share. Prefix share. It's probably the prefix share, yeah. Yeah, make clean again some make so well, need to find out where it caches this stuff. Prefix share, because otherwise I'm always compiling this stupid program. Okay, and now come on, make install. Still not unable to access file. What is %d share? User local %d. What the? Instead of fighting with this for now, I'll just do user local share. Next time I'll try to do everything new. Make install, come on, yes. Let's use a local share ghidra extensions. There we go. Make the install. And it should be gone. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, it's not looking that bad. This needs some care. This is probably in the port lint. Yeah. It's not under git and whatever. Use GitHub, place blah, 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 blah. MV, CP. This all needs to be fixed, sure, but I think it's no longer to be fixed yet. Now. Port FMT. I think this is kind of okay-ish. Need to fix, and then the port. Come on. What the heck? Port clippy. The make file. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. I think not doing any more stuff now. I didn't achieve what I wanted, but I started porting another program, which, yeah, it's starting to look good. Right, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. It was a big marathon. Yeah, more than 3 hours streaming. Well, I think I like this format.